Today we are switching out the keyholes on my Civic because the old one gets, kind of worn out, and you could basically use any Honda key to open it. So I got the new one I'm switching out. So what you want to do is you want to take, these are from the new one, right here, but these got free play. So you want to switch out this white thing. See how I can move it? And then you want to switch it to the original one. The original one, you can't move it, so it works better. So I already switched this one over with this side, and it's just, you take out the black pin, and then this is from the original right there. So this is the new keyhole and the original white part along with the locking pin, and it should work better. Yeah, it doesn't move. This one, it moves. It's pretty easy. Take this off. Just 2 bolts, one here and one there. 2 10mm, and then you pop it out, and then you disconnect it from this part, and that's it. So once you take it out, all parts looks like that. These are the new ones that came with this. You take it off, and this is the old one. So you just put, this is it'll tell you if it's left or right. The R for right, and L for left. So right side. This is the right side for the right side door. So basically you just put the old one right or like that, and then you put the locking pin right there. So finished product, and then you just put this in like this. That's it. We put this back in here, and we should be good. Upside down, so this part face down, and the date's on top. The opening hole part face down like this, so it could fit in here all the way. Like so. Okay. Get this. Just like that. Okay. There we go. Once that's in, you need to put this pin right back in from the bottom. Locking pin right there. There we go. The locking pin's on. Everything's good. Everything's good. We're gonna test it out. Everything's good. These are the new keys. Right there. Okay. Everything's good. On this side, it works. Alright, now just tighten up the bolt and everything. Retest out the new lock. See, it's locked. Got the new key. Open. Lock. Open. Alright. There we go. Today we are going to change out that keyhole from this Honda Civic, 93 Honda Civic. I'm going to switch that out. We're going to take off this door panel. Everybody know how to do that. One bolt in there, one right there. Take that off, and pop the door out. This part's easy. Just get a flat right there, pop it out. Done. Bolts are out. Just take this out right here. Put it on the side. Take this out. Like so. Take this out. Like that. Put it on the side. Now the door cover is off. Right here. This bolt right here. The 10. And this one right here. Another 10. And then we're gonna just hit it out like that. Okay, I got them out. Now, I'm just gonna hit that out, like so. There you go. Easy, huh? Just leave, and then take out this locking pin. Right here. Out. You gotta take this out. Pretty easy. You just go like this. There you go. Like that. And then right there. Bam. Easy. This is the old one. We need this white part right here. We need to move this white part over to the new one. So we gotta move that metal pin first, and then the white part will pop right out. Alright, pop the pin out. Remember, this is the bottom. This goes on bottom, top, bottom, top. I'm doing this with one hand. Put the pin in. Just like that. Alright, this is the new one. These are the new white one. We're not gonna use those. This is a new key hole, and this is the old white one. Put it in. Sorry. Put it in there, right here, just like that. All right, it's in. The pin is in, the safety pin, right there. This is in. Looks good. Now I'm gonna put the two bolt, put it back in, put the two bolts on, we'll be done. Okay, I'm losing sunlight, but it's in right now. Put the door jack, put the door jamb back on. Gotta put this on, this on. Be right back. Finished product. Brand new keyhole. Door's locked. Testing it out. New key. Opens. Locked. Opens. We're good.